Let's take a look at the main controls of Era 1X. The T button is dedicated to phone functions and some voice features. The S button controls power on, power off, and music. The B button is used for Bluetooth intercom, so you can connect other intercoms in Bluetooth mode. The M button, on the other hand, is dedicated to mesh communication. Then there are the plus and minus buttons, which are used to adjust the volume, change track, or scroll through the options in the different menus. On the device, you will also find the dynamic Ride Glow LED, the status LED, the audio kit connector, and the USB-C charging port. To turn on Interphone Era 1X, press the S button for 1 second. The device starts up, the status LED turns blue, and a voice prompt also tells you the battery level.
Battery level is high.
To turn it off, press and hold the S button again for about 2 seconds until you hear the power off voice prompt.
Goodbye.
The first time you turn it on, the device automatically enters pairing mode. Simply open the Bluetooth menu on your phone. Look for Era 1X among the available devices and confirm the connection. If you want to start the procedure manually, turn on the intercom and press and hold the T button for 5 seconds. You will see the blue and red LEDs, and you will hear the voice prompt confirming pairing mode.
Phone pairing.
At this point, select Era 1X from the list of Bluetooth devices on your smartphone. Before you start using all the features, install the app on your smartphone, pair your phone with the intercom via Bluetooth, and then start the guided setup procedure in the app. From the app, you can follow the entire initial setup process and also assign a unique name to the device, making it easier to pair with other intercoms. In the device settings menu of the Interphone Unite app, you will find several useful options, including language, voice assistant activation, voice commands, and other usage preferences. To enter the configuration menu, press and hold the B button for 10 seconds. Scroll through the different options using the plus and minus buttons and confirm with the T button. From this menu, you can perform several operations. Pair the main phone, connect a second phone, pair a GPS or TFT, use Anycom pairing mode for older generation intercoms, to use your phone assistant, simply say, "Hey Siri" or "Hey Google." To use the intercom voice commands, say, "Hey Interphone," and wait for the confirmation beep.
Intercom.
You can then say the command. For example, you can ask for the battery level, increase or decrease the volume, or redial the last number. You can view the full list of commands directly in the app, under Settings menu, Voice Command List. One of the most important steps is keeping the ERA 1X firmware up to date. To do this, open the Interphone Unite app and access the settings through the icon. From there, you can start the update procedure. Also within the device settings, you will find other advanced adjustments, such as the equalizer, smart volume control, background volume, FM radio settings, switching from Mesh 3.0 to Mesh 2.0, Mesh Participation, automatic power off, microphone sensitivity, side tone, VOX, voice assistant, and the complete voice command list. If you want to listen to the radio, you can activate it directly from your Era 1X device. To turn the radio on or off, press and hold the minus button for 1 second. To enter the FM radio menu, press and hold the T button for 1 second. By pressing and holding the plus and minus buttons, you can change the frequency, moving forward or backward in manual search. With a short press of the same buttons, you can scroll through the stations saved in memory. To exit the FM radio menu, press and hold the T button again for 1 second. You can also manage the radio through the app, turning it on or off, saving stations in memory, and changing frequency in a more practical way. Era 1X also lets you customize the look of the device, thanks to its interchangeable covers. To remove the cover already installed, unclip the front section, lift it slightly, and slide it to the left. To install the new cover, slide it to the right so that the wider side locks in first. Then lower it and press on the left side and in the center to complete the attachment. This way you can quickly change the cover color and customize your Era 1X. From the app, you can also customize the visual appearance of the device by changing the light effects and the behavior of the Ride Glow system. Open the Ride Glow section from the home page. From here, you can change the light effects of Era 1X and customize the device's dynamic LED. To start music from your favorite player, you can use Siri or Google Assistant by pressing and holding the T button for 3 seconds, or by saying, "Hey Siri" or "Hey Google." To start playback, press the S button. To skip to the next track, press and hold the plus button for 1 second. To go back to the previous track, press and hold the minus button for 1 second. To pause, press S again. To answer an incoming phone call, press the T button or say, "Answer." To end an active call, press and hold T for 2 seconds. If you want to reject the call, press and hold T for 2 seconds. To make a call, you can activate your phone's voice assistant by pressing and holding T for 3 seconds. Era 1X also supports speed dial. To enter the menu, press and hold the plus button for 3 seconds. Then scroll through the options using plus and minus. You can redial the last number or select one of the saved speed dial contacts. Once you have chosen the option, confirm to start the call. If you want to talk to another user in Bluetooth intercom mode, you first need to pair the device. To start pairing, press and hold the B button for 5 seconds. The LED turns red, and you will hear the intercom pairing voice prompt.
Intercom pairing.
Once the intercoms are paired, you can start a conversation by pressing the B button once for the first intercom, twice for the second, and 3 times for the third. For models that are no longer on the market, or for brands other than Interphone, Sena, Cardo, and Midland, you can use the Intercom pairing function, which can be found in the device configuration menu. For pairing with Interphone and Sena products, you can also use the app. Simply open the Bluetooth intercom section, press the plus symbol in the slot you want to use, repeat the same procedure on the app of the second control unit, and connect them by scanning the QR code that will be generated. Era 1X can also be connected to other Bluetooth devices, such as TFT systems, GPS devices, and action cameras. In the case of a motorcycle TFT system, the connection must be made as if it were the first phone, by pressing and holding the B button for 10 seconds. In this case, the smartphone must be connected only to the TFT and not directly to the intercom. You can connect a GPS or an action camera directly from the intercom's main menu. Simply scroll through the menu options until you hear the corresponding acoustic signal. When Era 1X is connected to an action camera, music and FM radio are disabled. The Era 1X device uses Mesh 3.0 technology, which allows you to communicate freely with compatible Interphone and Sena devices without having to perform a manual pairing procedure and without position limits within the group. To activate mesh communication, press the M button. The status LED turns green, and you will hear the confirmation message that mesh has been activated on channel 1.
Mesh intercom on.
To deactivate it, press M again.
Mesh intercom off.
If you want to change the open mesh channel, press M twice, then use plus or minus to select the desired channel. After a few seconds, the selection is confirmed automatically. To activate or deactivate the microphone, press and hold M for 1 second. To switch from open mesh to group mesh, press and hold M for 3 seconds. If necessary, you can also reset the mesh connection by pressing and holding M for 8 seconds. When you want to communicate in mesh with nearby users who currently have mesh turned off, you can use the mesh reach-out function, also known as mesh participation. This allows you to send a notification to nearby devices up to approximately 100 meters away. Once the function is active, simply press the Mesh Intercom button 3 times to send the request. In addition to Bluetooth and Mesh, Era 1X also supports Wave Intercom. Wave is a communication system that works through the cellular network, allowing you to talk to other users who use the app. The system is also compatible with motorcyclists who do not use an intercom but simply use Bluetooth earphones or other compatible devices. You can start a conversation in 2 ways: by entering the app and selecting GeoWave to access the wave zone, or by pressing the Mesh Intercom button twice directly on Era 1X. To end wave communication, press the Mesh button again. If, instead, you want to switch to mesh communication, press the phone button. The main Wave features include the ability to create private groups, GPS tracking of your travel companions on the map, and automatic switching between Wave and Mesh when needed.